everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows from this look to this. So if you guys want to see eyebrows tutorial, please keep on watching. Alright, so what we need is, of course, our brows gel or cream. This one is I got from MAC, Deep Brunette. We need an angle brush. You can use any angle brush as long as it's thin, like this one. And also spoolie. You can use concealer to clean up around your eyebrows, but it's up to you. It doesn't matter. It's okay if you don't want to use those. It's fine. So let's start. First, I have my angle brush. I'm gonna dip some product in here. Just gonna get product, my brush, and I'm gonna close it back. And gonna start here in this line. So you just hold your angle brush on the very end so you have control. And I'm just gonna use my spoolie to blend it. Oh, on point. My eyebrows is on point. Hi. Mommy's filming, baby.
Oh.
Go up there. Go. Don't get too much product because you don't wanna. So I'm just gonna clean it up. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm just gonna use my Milani brow shaping gel. And there you go, guys. This is the final look from my brows tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please, if you want to try this eyebrows tutorial, please leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my channel to see more new videos. Thanks, guys.